Okay, so this app I discovered through the same person that introduced me to all these new drinks, and this is where she got it from. So the drink I will be trying today from this app is this one right here. Okay, so this is the Snickers Frappuccino, and I got it in a tall. You can get it in a grande or a venti. Depending on the size you get, determines how many pumps of each thing that you put. So this is a tall Java chip Frappuccino with 2 pumps of Toffee Nut Syrup, caramel drizzle, and I didn't put any Mocha Drizzle, and then on top is the caramel drizzle with whipped cream. So let's see how it tastes. Okay, here we go. It tastes to me like chocolate, lots of chocolate. I guess I definitely tasted the Java chip in it. I taste a little bit of toffee nut, so there is a hint of that, but I definitely mostly taste the Java chip in it. So my rating would be I would definitely get this again, so definitely a 9 out of 10. I probably won't put toffee nut syrup in it because I don't really like toffee nut like that, and I'll probably try with the Mocha Drizzle next time, so I'll put probably caramel drizzle and Mocha Drizzle. Yes, Mocha Drizzle, I said that wrong. So, like I said, this is from the app, so I'll definitely put you guys onto it and put the name in the description below. And if you try this drink, let me know how you like it.